Hi guys, my name is Jay Gannon and welcome to my YouTube channel where I create videos every single week to help you to maximize your LinkedIn content. This is going to be the shortest video I've ever done on this channel. Some videos are 20 minutes, it's far too long. So this is going to be a really short video on how to grow your business on LinkedIn. So all of you guys are looking for advice on how to build your company page up. I'm going to be creating lots of videos about this, but here's a really short video, essentially a little hack based on the new feature for LinkedIn on company pages and how we can maximize attention on our pages. So I think the main reason why people don't engage with company page content is because essentially it's just a logo. You want to engage with people and that will always work. That works across social media platforms. So I'm going to go onto Social Chain Agency. So typically what we find is when we come onto a company page cold, there's a new feature essentially on the homepage for LinkedIn's company pages, which is recently posted videos. Now, I imagine a lot of you aren't updating your company page too often because admittedly, up until now, company pages have been redundant. It has been far more beneficial to be posting on your personal profile to then generate traffic to your website, for example. That has been the best way to do it, and it probably will continue to be the best way to do it. So if you're a part of my newsletter, my weekly newsletter, which I send out every single week, do sign up to that, guys, for weekly content tips straight to your inbox every Sunday when I remember to do it. You would have seen this first. But essentially on the homepage of company pages, we have here recently posted videos. Now, LinkedIn seemed to either show community hashtags in this little box, so it will show the hashtags that company page is following, or it will have recently posted videos. So if you're typically not using your company page, what you can do though is either upload a welcome message as a video, so you could introduce yourself as the CEO or the director. You can welcome them essentially to your page, because anyone landing on your company page right now is going to see recently posted videos, and it's loud and clear, and it's probably going to be the thing they're going to click. So you want to make sure your last video that you posted could be primed to fulfill this essentially as a welcome message. That's mainly if you're not using your company page. So if you haven't posted something for 6 months and you're not really expecting to do that, again, why not have that last video essentially introducing yourself and maybe directing them to your website if that's somewhere that's more active, or another social media platform. For example, you could say, hi guys, thank you so much for landing on our company page on LinkedIn. As you can see, it's quite quiet here. All of our content is actually on our blog, on our website, so do please check that out. For example, so you can kind of humanize your company page, and that will encourage people to follow, and that will encourage people to engage with your company page if they do choose to follow it. So I know it's just a small tip. If you're typically not updating content on your company page, I think it's good to introduce yourself, introduce the business, and perhaps they'll jump off to your company page and follow your personal profile content if that's what you keep up to date. So guys, let me know what you think about this video. Do you prefer these shorter videos? I'm still learning, so perhaps you prefer the kind of screencast with the loom sort of angle I've got going on, or do you prefer the more in-depth strategy videos? I could do either. I'd love to hear from you guys, and do check out the other videos on my channel. And if you're interested to see tips like this first, do sign up to my newsletter, which is free. I'll put the link in the description box as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in another video.